So the front windscreen's messed up. So, you know, it's not the end of the world if it breaks. This is in perfect condition, and we really don't want to break it because they're quite expensive to get new, and there's no need to replace this thing. And it has a tint that matches the rest of the windows. It's a nice green tint, so we really don't want to break it. That is the number one goal. Anyway, you can watch and see if we do break it. That'll be fun. What we need to do is, obviously we need to take all these pieces of aluminium off. We need to take all these panels off, just get it all out. We need to take these hinges, the fuel tank and everything. So the best way to do that, with it all out the way, because we need to get in all behind here, we just need to take this back windscreen out, back screen out, and best way to do that is just cut it out, really. But obviously first we have to take the chromes out, and they all just slot into these horrible little clips here, and they have little corners that hold them on, and we just tape them all on so they don't fall out. They're pretty good nick, these chromes, so we'll probably polish them and reuse them. Anyway, we need to cut all this rubber out and ensure we don't take our fingers off on these. So yeah, that's the plan. Yeah, look, there you go, you can see the lines. Yeah. Careful. Right, so interestingly, it does have a heated rear windscreen, but it seems to have broken slightly. But nothing that can't be fixed, but we have to worry about the wires now. That's the one issue. Right, so here you see the bottom of the screen. You can see daylight through there, nice. Anyway, this is the power wire for the bottom of the rear heated screen. See, in relation to the rest of it, that's the power wire. And if you're wondering where the ground is, if we look further back, up at the top, ground to the body up here, just screwed in using a little flathead, it's there. So we need to be really careful with that. To be really careful. As you can see, we've popped the glass out at the top. This rubber normally sits here, and this is the rivets for the roof. So yeah, we need to just make sure this is disconnected at the bottom and that is disconnected at the top. Right, push the top of the screen for a minute. No, right at both ends, middle to off. Right. Oh, rubber's come off. Need to get something underneath it. Oh no, that's fine. Should be able to do it. I can get my fingers in there. Just make sure it doesn't slip. Or pivot brake on the bottom. Right, you've got to pull it towards the top of the car. Yeah, got it. Gently. I haven't. Right, that wire. Wait a second. Okay. Yeah. I just thought I'd tell you before. Yeah. This is original. Yeah, you're right. There's no way that's been out before. Yeah, like that. Perfect. It's hard to get into it, isn't it? Yeah, no, I know, yeah. Same as the top one. Cool. Nicely done, man. Look where you're walking. Right. Call me crazy, but I'm going to go out on a limb here and say that the rear windscreen was leaking for a while. That's pretty rough. Oh, don't call me an engineer, that's insulting. Okay, real physicist. But yeah, I mean, there's nothing left of that. That's like tin. So there we go, got the back windscreen out. You can see it behind me here. So good English tradition. Time for some tea.